walk safe, walk free, and may harm never come to thee. Humbugale, 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 go well, my friend, and walk in the light of faith. Walk tall, walk well, walk safe, walk free, and may harm never come to thee. Walk wise, walk good, walk proud, walk true, and may the sun smile on you. Humbugale, 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 go well, my friend, and walk in the light of faith. Walk prayer, walk hope, walk faith, walk light, and may peace always guide you right. Walk joy, walk brave, walk love, walk strong, and may life always give you song. Humbugale, 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 go well, my friend, and walk in the light of faith. Walk in God, walk with God, walk for God, and may you dance in the hearts of all you meet. Humbugale, 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 go well, my friend, and walk in the light of faith. Humbugale, 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 go well, my friend, and walk in the light of faith.
Okay, so our School Spirit Awards are about, the Spirit Award is awarded to a student who has, through his words and deeds, lived the spirit of St. Virgil's College. Throughout the term, he has continually treated his teachers and fellow students with respect, been a prayerful member of his class, worked to his best abilities in his studies, played fairly and with determination in his sports, worn his school uniform with pride and been generous, well-mannered, courteous and enthusiastic about being a St. Virgil's boy. And for Grade 3R this year, Talon Pringle has gotten our mid-year School Spirit Award. So well done, Talon. I also have an award for applying himself to all his classes and work, trying his hardest and presenting his classwork in an exceptional manner. Angus Mulder, well done Angus, for presenting the very best quality in all his work across all subject areas, and committing himself to every learning opportunity with a positive attitude is Sebastian Van Eyck. For always being a positive and fair member of Grade 3, showing sportsmanship and consideration of all other class members is Charlie Todd. For always being prepared for school, organising his learning materials and setting himself up for success each day is Carter Spangler, well done Carter. And for going about his daily activities with a positive attitude, completing all learning activities in a timely manner, and always presenting his very best work goes to Alex Mizzen. Well done to all those boys in Grade 3.
The 3-4 awards for the mid-year awards this year. The first one goes to Hamish Bewley for showing Arab and Rice values by being an inclusive class member who is considerate and respectful towards his peers and teachers. My next award goes to a class member who has shown persistence to achieve his best across all learning areas throughout the semester, and that is Bradley Muir. My next award goes to William Lowe for always being a cheerful and friendly class member who is keen to help out his peers and teachers at all times. My next award goes to Flynn Edmonds for always being a well-organised class member who always gives his best and in all his learning. And my last award goes to Andrew Marshall for maintaining a very high quality of work across all learning areas. The School Spirit Award for 3-4W goes to Andrew Mooney.
All right, and the 4R awards are, firstly for School Spirit, Cooper Griffiths. Next, for his overall effort and determination to improve academically, whilst also being an encouraging classmate, Harry Barton. The next one, for his efforts to improve academic, particularly in literacy, Will Hoffler. The next one, for his positivity and cooperative attitude in all aspects of his role as a student at St Virgil's College, well done, Christian Mazimpaka. Next, for demonstrating leadership through his approach to academic tasks and meeting his responsibilities as a student at St Virgil's College, Lachlan Mapley. And lastly, for demonstrating excellence in multiple academic areas, well done, Liam Quinn.
Charlie Oliver, school spirit. George Fulton, for diligence towards his schoolwork and for displaying a positive attitude towards learning, along with being a responsible and focused student. Edward Hoogsloot, for being a courteous and thoughtful student who's always dependable and responsible. Henry Mullen, for thoughtfulness towards others, for being a caring classmate and for displaying honesty and a positive attitude. Mitchell O'Shea, for his focus towards school tasks, along with exemplary behaviour and the positive role he plays in his friendships and interactions with others. Hunter Wright Dawes, for being a trustworthy and diligent student whose effort and hard work are an example to others.
My first certificate is for Cooper Brown, for being reliable and responsible, positive and encouraging of others in everything he does, and for a diligent approach to all his learning. For Ethan Medina, for being a diligent learner who always strives to achieve his best in all areas of the curriculum, and for a welcoming smile and a positive attitude. For Joe Shanney, for being a diligent learner who always strives to achieve his best, and for his kindness and positivity, which are a true gift to our class community. Cooper Todd, for being a conscientious learner who consistently works hard and strives to achieve his best. For Riley Triffett, for being a reliable and responsible member of our school community, and for a great effort and excellent progress in his maths learning this semester. And my School Spirit Award for this semester goes to Jack Byrne.
Certificate for our mid-year assembly is to Felix Gebka for using all the resources available to him and listening attentively to be able to put in his absolute best in every subject, presenting all work impeccably. My next one goes to Kai King for a conscientious approach to all his learning this semester, furthering his knowledge by completing extra research to bring to class discussions. Next up is Max Geddes for always bringing a positive energy into every day's lessons and conversations. Will Richmond for treating others with kindness and actively engaging in all his learning, particularly excelling in the areas of mathematics. Alex Lamprey for an increase in confidence to participate and share valuable insight with the class in a variety of subjects, especially English. And finally, my school spirit for our mid-semester goes to Lockie Cannon.
These are our HP awards for Term 2 2020. For 3R, Harrison Nadler, for demonstrating a positive attitude and dedication to his learning, while also showing a competitive spirit and sportsmanship which is inclusive of his peers. In 3-4W, Andrew Mooney, for demonstrating leadership, maturity and positivity towards his peers with infectious enthusiasm and a high level of skill across a range of activities. In 4R, Cooper Griffiths, for demonstrating a consistent, positive approach towards his learning with an admirable, caring nature and commendable sportsmanship in all activities. In 5S, Jack Kearney, for demonstrating positive, respectful, social and personal behaviour, which enables him to engage with his learning and his peers in a highly effective, skillful manner. In 560, Lachlan Carlisle, for his dedicated focus in all class activities, coupled with responsible social behaviour, including a mature, inclusive attitude towards competition. And lastly, in 6L, Cohen Macy, for demonstrating a commendable level of skill, enthusiasm and inclusive leadership in all lessons and activities.
Hi everyone! Seeing as we're doing these Music Award announcements remotely, I thought I would show you my rabbit and he would help me announce my Music Awards. This is Chester. Say hello. So my award in grade 3 goes to Harrison Nadler for his fantastic Mexican guitar creation at home and his cheerful participation in all that we do in class. And in grade 3 and 4, my award goes to Cooper Nichols for all the effort he has put into the Recorder Karate program and his dedicated approach to music studies, both in the classroom and in choir. And in grade 4, my award goes to Sam King for his outstanding efforts in the Recorder Karate program and his polite and positive manner in the classroom.
End of semester music awards. Year 5 is awarded to Clement McKenna for always being prepared and focused in his instrumental tutorial lessons and in class band and demonstrating consistent improvement. End of semester Junior School Music Award for Year 5-6 goes to Cooper Todd for showing great technical improvement and focus in his instrumental tutorials and in class band, and for always being respectful towards others. Year 6 End of semester Junior School Music Certificate goes to Riley Drew for demonstrating continued consistent improvement through his work in tutorials and rehearsals.
It's my pleasure to present the Art Awards for June of 2020 for grade 3. This student receives this award for demonstrating creativity, enthusiasm and a conscientious work ethic in all visual art lessons. It goes to Finlay Child. The student for the grade 3-4 award has received this award for his development of a range of skills in visual art and demonstrating a creative and original approach in all lessons. It goes to Jasper Kitto. For demonstrating effort, enthusiasm and imagination in all art lessons, in grade 4R, this award goes to Adam Zemeister. For conscientious work ethic and excellent behaviour in his approach to all artistic challenges, in grade 5S, this award goes to Maverick Bradley. In grade 5-6, this award goes to the student for his demonstration of enthusiasm and conscientious work ethic in all visual art lessons, and it goes to William Lynch. And in grade 6L, this award goes to this student for consistently showing imaginative and creative approach in all lessons, and it goes to Casey Quayle. Thank you.
The grade 3 Japanese award goes to Jack Lem for his passionate approach to Japanese language and culture. The Japanese award for grade 3-4 goes to Lucien Lan for his dedication to producing excellent quality work while also supporting his classmates. In grade 4, the Japanese award goes to Liam Quinn for setting a great example in both his standard of Japanese work and his exemplary behaviour. In grade 5, the Japanese award goes to Charlie Oliver for his commendable work ethic and behaviour in Japanese lessons. The grade 5-6 Japanese award goes to Harry Costello for his continued determination in Japanese language learning. And the grade 6 Japanese language award goes to Tyler Barriga for his attention to detail and positive approach to language learning.
Hello boys and staff members, welcome to House Points for the week as well as House Points for the semester. We've had to ask some special guests to come in to help us film this very top secret result because there's pizza at stake tomorrow. So for the week, in 4th place we have on 6,057 points, Dwyer. In 3rd place, 7,590 points, we have Hessian. In 2nd place, on 10,735 points, we have Joyce. And in first place, on 12,340 points, we have Doyle. Well done. Congratulations, boys. Now, let's do a bit of shifting. It was very close for the whole semester results. In fourth place, we have Hessian. In third place, we have Dwyer. And I can tell you that for first place, it was even Stevens for the semester. We had to go to a count back, and on a count back, in second place, we have Joyce, which means Doyle have won the pizza party and the semester house points. Well done, Doyle, and congratulations. This is on behalf of Mrs. Messer and myself. Hello to all boys and to all staff, and welcome to the end of term 2. I'm sure we would all agree that in some ways it has been a very challenging term with a lot of uncertainty around COVID restrictions, learning from home, and limits to activities such as assemblies and sport. There have also been many positives come out of the term and the situation, and it's great to reflect on how resilient and adaptable we've all been to get through this 10 weeks. So I thought I'd just take time to highlight some of the positive things that have happened during the term. I think the creative and quick response from our teachers in implementing online learning was very, very commendable. The learning support officers working with and supporting all the boys and the teachers the way they did was fantastic. Our ladies in the office who helped many boys, parents and staff cope with, an ever-changing situation. Our maintenance team of Kevin and Jason and Mrs. Graves, together with the LSOs who prepared our learning spaces and our playground areas so that we could still learn and play. A lot of work went into that. The willingness of you, the boys, to engage in learning from home and to endeavour to do your best was also fantastic. And the boys who were at school for some of the term time, the way that you stepped up and helped out with jobs such as recording assemblies and generally helping each other was really, we noted that, and it was great to see. The support the parents gave to their sons and the teachers here in helping us get through the term. The SRC who kept running their meetings and being creative with ideas. The Mini Vinnies leaders who organised the jocks, socks and chocks and beanies for Bethlehem House. That was much appreciated. The Aussie sports leaders for running our morning fitness through the term and packing away the play equipment each day. That has been appreciated by all the boys and staff. And I think one of the biggest highlights of recent times was everyone learning about and supporting our friends at the Mary Rice Centre. It was great to see the awareness around the needs of our friends in Kibera. And thank you so much to our boys, families and staff for the gold coin donations. We have 171 boys, maybe 180, and we raised on that day, as a little community $683, and this will go a long way to helping Brother Gerald directly help the families over there in buying food immediately. So that will just be a bank transfer and will happen straight away. So I can't emphasise enough what a massive difference that will make to our friends at the Mary Rice Centre and in the Kibera slum. So thank you everyone for everything you've participated in and contributed to this term. One for the history books, that's for sure. I hope you all enjoy the holidays with your families and friends and have a well-earned break, and we look forward to welcoming you back next term. Thank you.